Are you looking for the best foldable electric scooters? In this video we will look at some of the best foldable electric scooters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1, Glion Dolly Electric Scooter. The Glion Dolly Foldable Adult Electric Scooter has a patented folding design that allows it to be rolled like a dolly cart when not being ridden. It is also very lightweight at only 28 pounds. This makes it very convenient to carry and store at your home or office. For a last mile solution to get to your office, the Glion Dolly scooter is tough to beat. The lightweight folding dolly design really made it easy to carry into work or home and store. This makes it our pick for the best foldable electric scooter. In addition to the dolly feature, the Glion Dolly electric scooter is water resistant, has high load capacity and okay range. It only has electronic braking and heel foot braking, no mechanical disc brake. It has the usual features you expect in the $400 $500 price range, such as lithium batteries and LED lights. Riders of the Glion Dolly electric scooter really appreciated the unique folding design, lightweight and portability. They had issues with the braking being difficult to control due to it only having electronic braking. They felt the ride was okay with the solid honeycomb tires but not great. Many users were only able to achieve ranges in the 5-10 mile range. At number 2, Segway 9-bot Electric Scooter. The Segway 9-bot Max is Segway's most powerful electric scooter. At 42 pounds it is still portable enough to carry on to a subway or into the office. This scooter has a max speed of just under 19 miles per hour. It has a peak power of 800 watts. It has more power and range than most small portable electric scooters without the size and weight of the big dual motor high-cost electric scooters. This is my pick for the best foldable electric scooter. It has the best compromise between brute power and lightweight portability. If you live somewhere with lots of hills and need to carry your scooter onto public transportation, this could be the scooter for you. It is packed with a lot of technology. It has easy built-in battery charging, and LED display, and integrated Bluetooth with a phone app. It has several ride modes for range or performance and other features such as anti-theft locking. It has some of the best hill climbing performance out there for a still folding and portable electric scooter. It accelerates quickly to its maximum speed of just under 19 miles per hour. For stopping it has both mechanical disc brakes and electronic braking with ABS. It is a very fun and spirited scooter to ride. The 9-bot Max has pneumatic tires and a small amount of front and rear suspension, giving it a smooth ride. It will smooth out most cracks and heaves in the pavement and not leave you feeling worn out at the end of your commute. At number 3, Gortrax GXL V2 Electric Scooter. The Gortrax GXL V2 commuting electric scooter is one of the lowest priced scooters in this review but has some of the best features. The Gortrax scooter can be used by a rider weighing up to 220 pounds, similar to most scooters in this price range. It has a range of 12 miles similar to other low-cost folding electric scooters. The Gortrax GXL V2 scooter performs great with good range and speed, making it a great choice for an adult foldable electric scooter. Low price, easy to use controls, solid construction, and good performance make it our top pick for best value foldable electric scooter. This scooter has a folding design with a front wheel motor, LED headlight, and tail light, an innovative LCD screen. Braking is a combined disc and electric brake system. Riders thought this scooter performed very well with good top speeds and range. The air wheels provide a smooth ride. This scooter struggles on hills for heavier riders near the max rider weight. At number 4, Segway 9-bot ES2. The Segway 9-bot ES2 electric scooter has a very sleek modern design with no external cables or wires and a very sleek lightweight folding and rolling design. The Segway 9-bot ES2 is really good if you value easy portability and a modern sleek design with good range. This makes it our top pick among the best under $500 foldable electric scooter. This scooter has an innovative anti-lock braking design operating with mechanical and electronic brakes. It has an integrated mobile device app that can control things such as regular and sport mode and let you know the state of charge. Front and rear suspension suspension make for an okay ride. It is not as smooth as a scooter with pneumatic tires, but it better than a scooter with rigid wheels and no suspension. An available add-on battery increases both the range and top speed of the scooter for those wanting to a bit farther faster. Users felt this scooter was very fun to ride while in sport mode, especially in flat areas. It is able to achieve the advertised range and top speed for most riders. The instructions are in Chinese first with a rough English translation. This area could use some help. Build quality is decent for the price. The braking system works okay but is on the weak side compared to other electric scooters. The extra battery adds a bit more kick to it and range for people that thought it was not quite enough. At number 5, Mcwheel MX1. The Mcwheel MX1 is a commuter scooter that both kids and adults can enjoy. Kids under 10 years old might not be able to handle the size and speed of this scooter, but do not worry because there are a lot more options for younger kids. 15.6 miles an hour can be a little too fast for kids, but you can switch to a riding mode that would be more appropriate for the skills of the user. Your kid can enjoy hours of electric scooter fun with the 36-volt Glion battery that can reach a distance of 18.6 miles. Kids can get too excited to ride, but thanks to the fast-charging battery, they do not have to wait a long time to get a full charge. Even if 15.6 miles is kind of fast for younger kids, the Mcwheel MX1 is still a safe scooter. It is easy to operate, and kids can get the hang of it in no time. It features safe electronic braking and a wide deck to keep your kids' feet on board at all times. It is equipped with 8.5-inch airless worry-free tires that give a smooth and satisfying ride. 28 pounds may be a little heavy for younger kids, but when the scooter is folded, your kids can drag the scooter and let the wheel roll. By doing this method, the extra weight is absorbed by the ground, making the electric scooter a lot more comfortable to move around.